Um, Today was a really an end of a journey for me as personally, because it's been since 1993 I've been working with waste pickers and we never had a good PPE. So we really launched on 3-year exploration, doing the research on what works and what doesn't work. In this whole process, we really included waste pickers, one as informants. We asked another organization. We asked Tumbi Lab to create a gamifying method to use to get information from waste pickers, what kind of PP they want, what kind of challenges they have, what would be ideal for them to use it. And then after that we worked with Foley Designs, and Foley Design also really worked with the waste pickers. They went with the waste pickers, spent a day with waste pickers, spent a lot of time with Hasrudala staff who had a lot of information, and then we converted that into a design of a PPE. So once the PPE were designed, we had designed many things, but not everything is accepted by the waste pickers and waste workers. There were some they agreed and some they didn't agree. The ones which they agreed, we really did a pilot again and again to improve the design, and this is the final version. To just launch it, it is an amazing feeling. Probably in occupational health of waste pickers, this would be the first of its kind, and I'm so happy this has happened. This is only now the beginning journey, where we have to create an ecosystem of industries coming and producing such PPEs so that it can be available in the market very easily and the cost will come down eventually. We want to work with the citizens who have workers in their own apartments who can use it. We want to work with the government where the sanitation workers and DWCC workers can use it. And internationally also we can share our tech pack and the way we have done, so that they can also do something like this in their own countries. So this is first of its kind, and we are so proud to present this. And this whole design is actually available on our website. It's an open source, anybody can take it and use it and produce it, so that it will reach more and more waste workers in the world and in India for sure, so that they have a safer place to work.
So Hasrudala, along with the help of Foley Designs, we have launched this PP for waste workers, which is designed by the waste pickers for the waste pickers. So these designs are now we have launched on our website. The designs are free, open source. The text specifications of it is available on our website, which is hasrudala.in/pp for waste worker. You can go and see the technical specification and you can adopt it at your geographical areas. Just to give you one example, that we have designed gloves. The gloves where we have zips, so that it can be very comfortable and very like it will not be loose for waste workers while they are working. And similarly, we have the material that we have used is also cut proof, and we have given one PU layer as well on that, so that it will be waterproof also. So that's why these kinds of technical specifications you will get for all the PPEs that we have designed. We have designed jackets for men and women. We have designed wet waste boots and dry waste boots. We have designed wet waste gloves and dry waste gloves, and we have also designed masks and a scarf, which are different for different people who are working in waste sector. It is good for people who are working in dry waste collection centers. It is good for the people who are working on the streets as free roaming waste pickers, but at the same time who are dealing with wet waste as well.
Today, the team has designed and launched their PPE kit for informed waste pickers, personal protection equipment kit. It's an open source kit that has been designed and launched, and it's not just a huge milestone for Hasrudala, but also very important for the Samvika Shakti Collective, because the PPE kit that has been designed for the waste pickers, which promotes safer working conditions and their well-being and also dignity. this kit has been designed and in collaboration with the waste pickers themselves.
So the designs were finalized after doing 3 years of rigorous testing along with waste pickers and making sure it is participatory and making sure that the feedbacks that we are getting from the waste workers are incorporated in this. So that's why this is a kind of one of a kind exercise that we have done, which is a participatory exercise where a lot of organizations came up with their expertise, like Tumbi Labs, who helped us to make it gamify our participatory sessions, Foley Designs, who helped us to do the final designs of the PPE. The whole information you will find it on our website about the process and also what are the final designs. So do check it out.
Bangalore city, there is no uniformity like uniforms. People wear different colors and different types of uniforms, and it is not looking so good. So I think this is the right time. This is launched, and we need to take over this in the future. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we were just thinking how to go about it. And ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಈಗ ಪೌರ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, we are giving some uniforms and still they are not comfortable with that. I think this is the right time. This has been launched. And in the future we will think how to take this in the future, and this has to be it looks uniformity will be there and some decency will be there, and I think this will be appreciated throughout the country. I think this will be a landmark to start in Bangalore, so definitely we will take this.
ಈ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ದಂತ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಜನ ಇರೋ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರನ್ನ ನಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 2-2.5 ವರ್ಷ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಕಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಂಗೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
I think it was not a design exercise that was driven by the designer, but more from experience of meeting up with the users, and the actual users then drove a lot of the insights that we have finally built into the kit. I think an important part is it's the first step of building up something that creates one entire kit that is convenient, comfortable, and also beyond that, it's about identity, in the sense creating an identity for that person and dignity. I think these are things that through design we've kind of looked at, and it's an important part to, maybe it's the beginning of a journey, and I think this should hopefully allow others to look at making the effort building more around the same space. So first of all, thank you for the opportunity, and I'm hoping that this kind of starts off a completely new wave, at least to kind of bring a new sensitivity to jobs like this for the design side.
जब ये PPE किट देने से पहले हम वो सभी सेलिंग कर रहा था, तब कभी कभी हमारा हाथ काट हो जाता, कभी नीडल हमारा हाथ के अंदर इंजेक्ट हो जाता है. ये सभी प्रॉब्लम हमको फेस करना था. तब कभी कभी हमारा हाथ को इंजरी होता, कभी मेरा पैर को कट होता, ऐसे सभी होने वाला था, हमारे साथ हो रहा था. जब ये PPE किट हमारा साथ आया, हमारा को दिया गया उसको यूज़ करके देखने के लिए, तब हमारे को बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. जब हम सेल्टिंग कर रहा था, जब हम काम कर रहा था, काम का टाइम में उतना इंजरी नहीं हुआ ये देने से पहले जितना हो रहा था. तो हम वर्कर्स के लिए ये PPE किट बहुत ही यूज़फुल हो रहा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है. तो हम PPE किट देने वाले को थैंक यू बोलते हैं.